Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Square to Slack notifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Square to Slack notifications, first open your web browser. Navigate to the Square website and log into your account. In your Square dashboard, locate and select the Apps section. Look for the Slack integration option. Click on the Connect button next to the Slack integration. A new window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Slack account. Enter your Slack workspace credentials and click Allow to grant permissions. Next, you will see options to customize what notifications you want to receive in Slack. Choose the type of notifications you'd like to set up, such as payment notifications or sales summaries. Select the Slack channel where you want these notifications to appear. Once you've configured your preferences, click the Save button. Now, return to your Square dashboard to verify that the integration has been successfully set up. To test the connection, make a small transaction through Square. Check the selected Slack channel for the corresponding notification. If you see the notification in Slack, your connection is working correctly. If not, revisit the integration settings to ensure everything is configured properly. You have successfully connected Square to Slack notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.